When you think of fast food, what comes to mind? You might picture a greasy burger dripping with cheese and sauce, or maybe it's a bucket of fried chicken, crispy and satisfying. It's a quick fix, something to grab on the go when you're short on time and need a convenient meal. But in Asia, fast food is a whole different world, a culinary adventure waiting to be explored. Here, it's about vibrant flavors, a symphony of tastes that dance on your palate. It's about fresh ingredients, sourced daily from local markets, bursting with natural goodness. And it's about a deep connection to culture, a culinary heritage passed down through generations. I've spent years traveling across Asia, immersing myself in its diverse food scenes, and I can tell you, the fast food here will change how you think about eating, forever. It's not just about speed and convenience, although it certainly delivers on those fronts. It's about tradition, community, and a journey for your taste buds that will leave you craving more. Imagine walking through a bustling Bangkok market, the energy palpable, the air thick with the scent of grilling meats, fragrant spices, and aromatic herbs cooking over open flames. Or slurping ramen at a tiny Tokyo counter, the broth rich and flavorful, the noodles perfectly cooked. This food tells a story, a narrative woven with history and culture. It's generations of recipes, perfected over time, made with care and passion and served in minutes. For travelers, it's the ultimate adventure, a chance to connect with a new culture through its cuisine. It's about tasting the heart of a country, experiencing its soul through its food. And often it's surprisingly healthy, packed with nutrients and fresh ingredients. Locals line up, families share meals, creating a sense of community around the shared experience of delicious food. Office workers grab nutritious lunches, fueling their bodies with wholesome and flavorful options. This isn't a guilty pleasure, something to indulge in sparingly. It's a staple, a balanced and accessible option for everyone, regardless of their budget or background. Forget what you thought you knew about fast food, because this is something entirely different. We're about to explore the vibrant streets of Asia, a kaleidoscope of sights, sounds, and smells. We'll be diving into the dishes, the ingredients, and the rich culture behind this incredible food scene, uncovering its secrets and sharing its stories. Get ready to be hungry, amazed, and inspired by the culinary wonders that await. This journey is for food lovers, curious travelers, and adventurous eaters, and anyone who wants to eat well, experience new flavors, and discover incredible food without spending a fortune. We'll look at Japan, with its meticulous attention to detail and its dedication to fresh, seasonal ingredients. Korea, known for its bold flavors, its fermented delights, and its fiery spices. Thailand, a land of fragrant curries, tangy salads, and sweet and savory delights. And Vietnam, with its fresh herbs, its delicate flavors, and its iconic noodle soups. Each country offers its own unique take on fast, healthy, and delicious food, showcasing the incredible diversity of Asian cuisine. So, pull up a plastic stool, grab your chopsticks, and get ready for an unforgettable culinary adventure. The feast is about to begin, and it's going to be an explosion of flavors and textures. Let's go eat! This is the real taste of Asia, authentic, vibrant, and utterly delicious. Ready? Let's dive in and discover the magic of Asian fast food. This is fast food, redefined, reimagined, and ready to blow your mind. Let's discover what makes Asian fast food so special, so unique, and so incredibly satisfying. Let's go. What's the secret behind Asian fast food? What makes it so unique and appealing to people all over the world? It starts with the ingredients. Freshness is everything. The quality of the produce is paramount. Vegetables picked that morning, ensuring peak flavor and nutritional value. Fish straight from the market, still glistening with the freshness of the sea. And piles of fresh herbs and chilies, adding vibrant aromas and zesty flavors. Forget frozen patties, this is real food, full of life and flavor. It's about celebrating the natural goodness of each ingredient. Cooking methods set it apart too. The techniques used are designed to enhance, not overwhelm. Steaming, stir-frying, preserving the natural textures and tastes. Grilling and simmering soups, each method carefully chosen. Each technique enhances natural flavors, not masks them. It's about letting the ingredients shine. Meals are about balance, a harmonious blend of different elements. Rice or noodles for energy, protein providing sustenance and satisfaction, and always plenty of vegetables, offering essential vitamins and minerals. Flavors are layered, sweet, sour, salty, spicy, all in one dish. A complex and exciting sensory experience. Portion sizes are reasonable and meals are designed to nourish, not just fill. It's about mindful eating and feeling good. Food is seen as medicine, a way to promote well-being and vitality. What you eat impacts your health. It's a direct connection between diet and overall wellness. Fermented foods like kimchi and pickled vegetables, adding depth and complexity to the cuisine, are packed with probiotics, promoting a healthy gut and strong immune system. Broths simmer for hours, slowly building rich and savory flavors, extracting nutrition from herbs and bones, creating a deeply nourishing elixir. Even fast food is made with health in mind. A quick and convenient option that doesn't compromise on nutrition. It's a holistic approach, food that fuels and heals. A complete and satisfying experience for both body and mind. In Asia, fast food isn't just quick. It's a cultural phenomenon. It's thoughtful, balanced, and deeply rooted in tradition. Passed down through generations, preserving authentic flavors and techniques. That's what makes it so different, and so delicious. A unique culinary experience that tantalizes the taste buds. It's a respect for food you can taste in every bite. A celebration of fresh ingredients and skillful preparation. This is fast food, Asian style. A world away from the typical burger and fries. Let's see how this philosophy plays out in Japan, a country renowned for its culinary artistry and dedication to quality. Next stop, a symphony of simplicity and flavor, where every dish is a work of art. Let's go. In Japan, attention to detail is everything, especially in food. Japanese fast food is all about simplicity, elegance, and health. Take onigiri rice balls wrapped in seaweed, filled with grilled salmon or pickled plum. The ultimate portable snack, balanced, satisfying, and everywhere. Noodle soups are another staple. Soba noodles made from buckwheat are nutty and nutritious, served hot in broth or cold with dipping sauce. Udon noodles are thick and chewy, often in a light dashi broth with green onions and fish cake. Bento boxes are the art of the packed lunch rice, protein, and a variety of vegetable sides, all in one beautiful container. Yakitori, grilled chicken skewers, showcase every part of the chicken brushed with sweet savory tare sauce and cooked over charcoal. It's protein-packed, quick, and full of flavor. Japanese fast food is about variety, balance, and making every bite count. It's food that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Simple, healthy, and deeply satisfying. That's the Japanese way. Next, let's turn up the heat in Korea. Get ready for bold flavors. Let's go! Korean fast food is bold, hearty, and packed with nutrition. Bibimbap is a bowl of warm rice topped with seasoned vegetables, a fried egg, and spicy gochujang chili paste. Mix it all together for a perfect, balanced meal. Gimbap looks like sushi but is filled with sesame-seasoned rice and cooked ingredients like pickled radish, spinach, and bulgogi beef. It's the ultimate grab-and-go snack. Kimchi is the heart of Korean cuisine, spicy, sour, and loaded with probiotics. It's eaten with almost every meal and stars in dishes like kimchi jjigae, a bubbling stew with tofu and pork. Sundubu jjigae is a spicy, soft tofu stew, often with seafood and a cracked egg, served piping hot. These dishes are comforting, nutritious, and fast. Korean fast food proves you don't have to sacrifice health for flavor. Every bite is a burst of energy and tradition. That's soul food, Korean style. Next, let's explore the vibrant flavors of Thailand. Get ready for a spicy, sour, sweet, and salty adventure. Let's go! Thailand awaits. Thailand's street food is legendary, an explosion of spicy, sour, sweet, and salty flavors. Som tam or green papaya salad is fresh, crunchy, and bursting with lime, fish sauce, and chilies. Boat noodles are small bowls of rich, aromatic soup. Order a few, mix and match flavors. Mu ping, grilled pork skewers marinated in coconut milk and garlic, are everywhere, served with sticky rice for the perfect snack. Khao Geng stalls offer rice with your choice of curries and stir-fries. Just point and build your own meal. Thai fast food is fast, cheap, and as healthy as you want it to be. Every meal is a new adventure. That's the magic of Thai street food. Next, let's taste the freshness of Vietnam. Ready for something light and fragrant? Let's go! Vietnamese food is all about freshness. Clean, fragrant, and loaded with herbs. Pho is the iconic noodle soup, clear, aromatic broth, rice noodles, thin sliced beef or chicken, and a mountain of fresh herbs. Goi quan, or fresh spring rolls, are rice paper wraps filled with noodles, shrimp or pork, lettuce, and herbs, served with peanut sauce. Banh mi is the ultimate sandwich. Crispy baguette, grilled pork or egg, pickled veggies, cucumber, cilantro, and chili. Bun cha, a Hanoi specialty, features grilled pork in a sweet sour sauce, served with noodles and a basket of fresh herbs. Vietnamese fast food is light, interactive, and incredibly flavorful. Every bite is a celebration of freshness. That's the Vietnamese way. Now let's compare East and West. What sets Asian fast food apart? Let's find out. Compare Asian and Western fast food, and the differences are clear. Western meals focus on processed meats, refined carbs, and minimal vegetables. Think burgers and fries. Asian fast food centers on rice or noodles, smaller portions of grilled or steamed protein, and lots of vegetables. Flavors are balanced, and meals are designed to nourish, not just fill. Cooking methods matter. Deep frying dominates in the West, while Asia favors stir-frying, steaming, and grilling. The result? Asian fast food is lighter, more balanced, and leaves you energized, not sluggish. It's a different philosophy. Food is fuel, not just fast calories. The choice is clear. Now let's hit the streets for a real taste test. From street carts to cafes, let's see what's out there. My first food trip to Bangkok started at a street cart, a humble beginning to a culinary adventure. The vibrant energy of the city was immediately palpable, and the aromas wafting from the carts were intoxicating. It started with jok Thai rice congee, a comforting bowl, warm, savory, and topped with a perfectly cooked egg and a sprinkle of ginger. It was the perfect way to start the day, a gentle awakening of the senses. Lunch was khao man gai tender chicken, rice cooked in flavorful broth, pure comfort in every single bite. It's a dish that speaks to the soul, simple yet incredibly satisfying. In Seoul, I dove headfirst into the bustling Gwangjang market, a sensory overload of sights, sounds, and smells, all for a taste of authentic bibimbap. A symphony of flavors and textures, 7 kinds of meticulously seasoned vegetables, each adding its unique note, and a generous scoop of fiery gochujang. Every bite vibrant, healthy, and bursting with the freshness of Korean cuisine. It was a true celebration of vegetables, and gimbap, those perfectly rolled Korean rice rolls, made the perfect snack on the go, fuel for exploring the city. Then, in Ho Chi Minh City, a banh mi from a busy street cart was a flavor explosion, a testament to the magic of Vietnamese street food. A crispy baguette filled with succulent grilled pork, tangy pickled veggies, and fragrant fresh cilantro. A perfect harmony of textures and tastes. Dinner was bun cha grilled pork, noodles, and a medley of fresh herbs, all enjoyed while perched on a tiny plastic stool, fully immersed in the vibrant street scene. These incredible meals showed me that in Asia, healthy and delicious fast food isn't a luxury, it's the norm, seamlessly woven into the fabric of daily life. It's not about seeking out special health food restaurants, it's about embracing the local food culture, stepping outside your comfort zone, and being adventurous with your palate. The real culinary treasures are always found where the locals eat every day, at those unassuming stalls and bustling markets. Food that's not just good for your body, but also deeply satisfying for your soul. So you want to eat well, even when you're on the go? Here's how you can do it. Your ultimate guide to eating healthy and deliciously in Asia is coming right up. Let's go explore. Want to eat fast, healthy, and delicious food in Asia? Here's how. Eat where the locals eat. Busy stalls and long lines mean fresh, tasty food. Don't worry about the language, just point and smile. Embrace soups and salads. Noodle soups like pho or soba are balanced meals in a bowl, and salads like somtam are packed with flavor and nutrients. Make vegetables the star. Load up your plate with veggie dishes at rice stalls. Choose grilled or steamed proteins over fried ones. Be adventurous. Try new dishes, ask for recommendations, and step outside your comfort zone. The best food discoveries come from being open to new experiences. Eating healthy in Asia isn't a chore, it's an adventure. Explore, taste, and enjoy every bite. This is how you eat well on the go. Enjoy the journey. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.